Hello everyone and welcome back to So Aldo DIY. Last week I showed you my top 5 most worn dresses. So today I am going to show you my top 5 least worn dresses. Actually, most of them I haven't worn outside the house, just on the video or just for taking pictures. So I have 5 dresses to share with you today. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell as well so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. And if you would like to click the likes button, it would really help my channel grow. So today I am going to share with you my top 5 least worn dresses. So yeah, let's just get into it. I have an array of dresses right behind me, and I have to be honest with you, some of them I haven't worn yet just because I have so many. Sometimes I gravitate to like what's comfortable and what is practical. So I already showed you those dresses, and if you haven't seen them, I'm going to have the link in the description box below so you can go ahead and watch that later. But today we are going to be focusing on dresses that I haven't worn outside of my house. So anyway, let's get started. Just going to grab a dress. It's not like in a particular order. Okay, so the first dress that I'm going to share with you that I haven't worn anywhere but my house is this dress. So it's a black dress and it is a full circle skirt, and it has a deep neck, and the back as well is so pretty. This was actually a vintage dress that I found at the thrift store, and I altered it to fit me, and I added these applique. I just hand sewed the applique, and this was in style. This type of embroidery was in style back in 2016, I believe. So now that it seems like it's outdated, I can remove the applique. Probably one of the reasons why I haven't worn it. During summertime, the fabric is super hot, and then wintertime it gets so windy, it can blow up really easily. I just don't have an event to go to. That's why I haven't worn this one, but I really like it. It's fitted on the bodice, and it's actually very slimming. Yeah, so that is that. So let me put it back in the rack. This is a jumper or an overall dress. It used to be a maxi skirt that I turned into this because I am short enough to get away with that. So sometimes being short person has its perks. So anyway, this is the dress. So I'm gonna move a little closer so you can see the detail. I put this button covers to give that extra vintage vibe or cottagecore vibe to it, and I really like it. Yeah, I got this at a flea market long time ago back in Texas. And then at the back I added this bow to give it like a cute touch at the back. It's super cottagecore. I just don't know, actually it looks really cute with my outfit right now. Yeah, maybe I just have to give this one a go because it, in my opinion, I thought it looks like a very costumey type of dress. The fabric is like super beautiful. It's very soft, and this is actually linen. So the reason why I haven't worn this anywhere is because it looks like a costume. What do you think? Or it's just me thinking that? And as you notice, I kind of color coordinated my dresses. That's how I organize my dresses. So from dark to light. Okay, so the third dress that I'm going to be sharing with you is... Okay, so where is the third dress that I haven't worn anywhere? This one. Okay, so I haven't worn this one anywhere just because I have so many dresses. But what I love about this dress is it has a petal sleeve detail. So you can see that. That is so sweet. Yeah, this is actually a beautiful dress and well-made dress, but I don't know why I haven't worn this anywhere, because I think it's because I have so many dresses, and like I said earlier, if I have a favorite one, I tend to gravitate to that. So yeah, and this dress has a half circle bottom. Yeah, and the fabric is super beautiful. It's actually organic cotton. It's an expensive fabric, and it's just beautiful, but I just haven't worn this anywhere for some reason. I don't know why. I think I'm going to put this in my closet downstairs, so I will remember to wear it if I have to go someplace. So the back has invisible zip. It's just a nice dress, and I don't really know what to say about this dress. It's a simple cut, but the sleeves are the statements because it's petal sleeves, and I haven't done any petal sleeves before. So this one turned out really cute, and I love it. So that is the third dress. Okay. Let's put it back. Okay, so number 4. Okay, this one. Okay, so I haven't worn this anywhere. Reason why is because of the neckline. It's not fitting properly, but actually it is very beautiful dress, and it was a vintage dress. I mean, it was a vintage bed sheet that I used. It has like a ruffle on the bottom, and then bell sleeves going on here, and then the top is just like almost like a milkmaid bodice, but the waistline is sheared to cinch in the waist. It's actually very beautiful, don't get me wrong, but the thing is, you know, I think I just don't like that loose fitting Milkmaid top. I just don't like that. So maybe if I really want to wear this dress, I can fix it by shearing the top so I can enjoy it. So that is the fourth dress. Okay, so this is the last dress. I just made this like a couple of months ago. The reason why I haven't worn it is because it is tube top. It's just not my style, but I wanted to try to make a tube top dress. All in all, I love this dress. It has a piping on the neckline that I absolutely love, and it also has box pleats, and the fabric is so beautiful, you guys. The fabric is this was a vintage bed sheet, and this was actually a leftover from when I made this dress right here. See, they're not totally matching, but the prints are the same. So these two came from the same fabric. So anyway, so that is that. And yeah, I actually like this dress. So those are all the dresses that I haven't worn outside of my house. This is a bonus, okay? So this one I haven't worn anywhere. The reason why is my daughter wanted it and I gave it to her, and she put it in her closet and she forgot about it and she never wear it or anything like that. So I decided I am going to take it back so I can actually enjoy it, because this is a beautiful dress. And this dress and this and this all came from the same pattern. I just changed some of the details like sleeves and waistband, but they all came from the same pattern. So those are all the dresses that I don't wear at all. Let's just be honest. So yeah, some of them has valid reason, but on the others it's just because I just have too much dresses and I forgot about them, which is such a shame, because the blue dress especially is a beautiful dress and should not be forgotten. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. And did you know, guys, that if you leave a comment to my videos or likes this video, you are actually helping my channel to get recommended. See you on my next video, which is going to be my top 5 favorite sewing project. I'm super excited to share it with you guys just because I have a few favorites. Yeah. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Oh, by the way, you guys, do you want to see what I am working on? Okay guys, sneak peek of my project that I am working on. I draped this on the mannequin and it has a deep back detail. I love it. So yeah, that is something to look forward to. So the bodice is done. Now I am deciding whether to put a fitted skirt or a full circle skirt. So leave me a comments down below. What do you think I should add? Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!